Monday morning rain is falling.
Good morning, it's our day 2. So it's 8 AM na. So we're gonna have breakfast sa Cafe Primo. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so we just finished eating breakfast. So dito na kami sa my poolside. Ayan. So mag-ano lang kami dito, mag-chill and mag-take ng pictures. Batang nag-swimming. Ayan, picture sila. Ayan. Hindi ko sure kung mag-swim pa kami ngayon or hindi na. Depende. Order po kayo sa aking Instagram shop. Nagsisell ako ng mga beaded necklace, bracelets, tapos rings, and then magkakaroon rin ako ng keychain. So, follow on Instagram at totallycharm_. Ayan. Shop totallycharm. Yan. Tapos, magpipicture-picture na kami sa labas bago mag-lunch. Dahil hindi na umuulan, finally. Hindi na umuulan, so pwede na tayo makapag-picture-picture. This is my outfit. Top is from Shein and shorts from Uniqlo. Hi. Outfit check. Dress from SM Woman. SM Woman. Okay, finally, hindi na umuulan. Tapos, dry na rin yung grounds. So, maganda na ako mag-picture. It's 9:30 na ng umaga. Ayan, mag-steam kami up until mga 10 siguro or 10:30 because magla-lunch kami ng mga 11. Ayan. So, agad kami kasi para makapaligo pa tapos magla-lunch pa. So, yes! These days, it's not easy, cause you say you don't need me. Living in the summer, didn't last too long. paalis na kami. As in, quick dip lang talaga yun. Quick swim lang. 9:54 pa lang. So, bale mga 20 minutes or 25 minutes lang siguro kaming nag-swim. So, pabalik na kami ngayon sa room. Ayan, so magbabanlaw na kami. Tapos, ayan, mag-change na for the lunch outfit. Ayan, see you guys. Hey guys, so ayan, magla-lunch na kami. Punta kami sa labas para kasi mag-lunch buffet na kami. So, ito po lang na lang. Andiyan na sa inyo yung susi! Let's go!
Sometimes we shake a little, sometimes we let it all out. Or if we made a little, bet we would figure it out.
Yan, every Sunday lang yan.
Oh, Miss Touch turns cold, 'cause you got 20/20 and I don't see it straight. With you so I make it fair.
Yan, Bistek Tagalog.
You know it's gonna be a while, so why you in a rush to try? As we got older, you left me on your bedroom floor. It got much colder.
Yan, sa mga lechon. So, yan yung nakinuha ko. Ayan. May unlihat taho dito. So, kukuha tayo ng taho. Roasted. Ngayon lang to, binalik nila. Hapon, nag-post nila. Dessert. So, let's see kung ano yung mga desserts nila dito and other food. And then yun. Ayan, yan. Dalawa po. Thank you. Thank you. So, yan. Para ma-share ko rin sa kanila. Mango. Natapos na kaming mag-lunch. Ayun, so it's a Sunday lunch buffet. So every Sunday lang siya. Tapos, yung mga food doon is parang mga Filipino dishes lang. Kasi bistek Tagalog, pinakbet, mga lechon. Tapos may mga kakanin rin, puto bongbong, bibingka, mga ganon. And medyo konti lang yung mga selection ng food. Pero okay na rin, 600 pesos per head siya. Yan, so yan, mag-check out na kami because 12:17 na. So, mag-aayos na kami ng mga gamit. And, yeah. Outfit check. Top is from Shein. Pants are from Uniqlo. And then, my necklace and these two bracelets are from Totally Charmed. And my sunnies are from Dior.
She's a Mona Lisa.
And so, aayos na kami. We're going to check out. Bye!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You found the beauty walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah.
So ayun guys, finally we're home, and that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!